This is a joke, right? You joking, right? At what point is it okay to send nudes to your new boyfriend or girlfriend?
When he's put a ring on it. He wouldn't be my boyfriend, he would be my fiance.
Never. You ain't even hit it yet. You probably ain't gonna hit it. What is you saying? Get the fuck out of here. You see nothing. You better use your imagination. Takes you far.
I don't, no. New boyfriend, girlfriend? No. Nudes? No.
Never.
Well, I feel like day one it's a great place to start. You know, why wait 3 months, 9 months down the line when you can start from day one, you know?
Ooh.
It depends on how the relationship started.
It's never. It's not, I don't know. It take a long time. Take a long time to feel comfortable with somebody. You got to trust that person that you're sending them nudies to.
Especially if you've seen her naked already, you know? It's like, why hesitate? Why delay, you know? Because you want to do that spontaneous things. Things happen, you know? That we could have a sleepover, you know what I'm saying? Could have been like, I think my mom would say, hey, if by mistake a girl ever comes to your room, just make sure you don't get her pregnant.
Some guys make it really weird. They do it like maybe 2-3 weeks out, and it gives off a creepy vibe. It's like, oh, is this what we're doing?
I would say past 2 to 3 months. Like, yeah, 2 to 3 months.
That's not my personality, so that'll never be okay. Nudes? No. No. No.
I'm not really the type for nudes, but honestly, guys have sent me nudes very quickly, and I'm like, what is this?
Never. Nasty things, maybe yes, but nudes, no.
If it's something she's into, maybe like 6 months in, like just surprise her, slide into her DMs and say, hey, look what I got you. You know, hey, surprise. You like what you see? You know, I'm gonna just throw it in there.
I gotta know you're gonna be here, okay? Before I start sending my naked ass. I gotta know you're gonna be around.
I don't know. I don't like sending them personally.
It's just a situation that you can send it whenever you want. But if it's a relationship, then you gotta take it easy, and you know you can't just give everything.
But like if we're like deep into the relationship, or if you're just like that and you're not really looking for anything serious, then you know, you send a few dirty messages here and there if that's what you're into.
If you're not thinking anything about it, yeah, do it. You're having fun, do it. I mean, you live once, so might as well do it.
You have to gauge the mood. You have to gauge the interest. If she's interested in that kind of stuff at the beginning, then yeah, you do it in the first day. But if she's not, then you ease into it. You don't just all of a sudden boom, dick.
Are you comfortable with the thought that your pictures might end up somewhere, or do you not care? I mean, it's a lot of different things to think about it. But if you're comfortable with it, yeah, go ahead and do your thing.
No nudes to boyfriends, cause he could be gone tomorrow. Nobody got time for that. Have my pictures all over the internet.
Some people say they want to wait till you put a ring on it. Like, okay, I'm gonna wait. But once that ring is on your finger, it's gonna be mad surprises. Bam, bam, bam. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You be like, what's up? You know what I'm saying? That's what I do. Once we marry, shoot, your inbox gonna be full, fam. Bam, surprise, surprise, surprise. He probably grew a little bit. Ooh.
I wouldn't send nudes ever. It's like, if you want to see something, come find me at the spot and we can get it popping. But I'm not sending you nothing. The internet is forever. Nah.
The government is watching.